What if the next big idea for your video, book, or film is already in your head, just waiting to be captured? A few years ago, I stumbled upon an interview with the legendary James Taylor, a rock and roll Hall of Famer. The conversation was moving along when the reporter asked James a question that had everyone on the edge of their seats. How does a music icon like you consistently write hit songs? James paused, reached into his bag, and pulled out something that looked as ordinary as it was extraordinary, a beat-up old notebook. Then he said, "Every time I have an idea or hear an interesting line, I write it down in this journal. I do it because I don't want to forget an idea. When it comes time to write a song, I use my notes to write the lyric." That moment hit me like a ton of bricks. Here was one of the greatest songwriters of our time, relying on something as simple as a notebook to keep track of his genius. If journaling was good enough for James Taylor, it had to be good enough for me, so I bought a cheap composition book that same day. Fast forward 20 years, and I filled over a dozen of these journals, plus countless notes on my phone with thoughts and ideas. Every time I jot something down, I know it's there, ready to spark something amazing when I need it most. In fact, my book, You Gotta See This, and content for my YouTube channel was born out of ideas I captured in those journals. It's proof that the simple act of writing down a thought can lead to something big. So here's my challenge to you. Start journaling today. You don't need anything fancy. A composition book, a spiral notebook, even a free app will do. Just start capturing your ideas, because the next great song, book, or film might already be in your head waiting for you to write it down. If you found this tip valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into storytelling and video making. And if you want to dive deeper into crafting unforgettable stories, check out the resources in the description below. Thank you for watching.